Need to file your Form 2290? Filing 2290 is easy and hassle-free with eForm2290.com. But before you begin, make sure you have your vehicle registration and SS4 form. Now have this information handy when you're ready to file. Business name, EIN, and registered address. These can all be found on your SS4. Vehicle identification number or VIN. Find this in your vehicle registration documents. Gross weight. This is the unloaded total weight of the vehicle. You can find this on your TK. Now you're ready to file. And with eForm2290.com, the process is fast and easy. Register or log in to your eForm2290.com account. Fill in business details. Select the tax period and first used month of your vehicle. Enter your vehicle information. Pay and get your Schedule 1 in minutes. Filing eForm2290 has never been easier. Save time, avoid penalties, and get back on the road. Like the video? Click the button and share, and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update.